What's up YouTube? Shine bright and thank you for watching. As you can see, I'm using the Afri Rita pre-stretched Rita Twist. They're 12 inches long, and these twists are made by Main Concept. They're kind of like coily hair with and the ends are loose, as you can see. I really like this especially for a little girl. It's very light and springy, bouncy. I'm using a number 4 and a number 2. And there's my crochet needle. All right, let's get started. Well, right here I'm just taking her hair down. It's been braided, and prior I washed it, and now I'm just taking it down. It's a lengthy process because she has a lot of hair, and I'm just oiling her hair with some almond oil mixed with the wild growth oil, and I'm just taking it down. She has a lot of hair. I think her hair is like a 4B texture. I'm also using this Wonder Brush by Crotchet. It's a great detangler to keep her hair from being so hard to comb. And right now I'm just parting her hair and getting ready to braid. I'm going to start braiding her hair straight back. So that's what you will see now. And right now I'm just continuing to braid straight back. My daughter is a comedian. She loves making faces. She hates sitting for a long time, but she's doing good sitting. Just braiding straight back. And as you can see, when I'm braiding straight back, I'm taking 2 braids and I'm joining them together. And right here, I'm just fixing to start that circular braid, and all those braids at the top, I'm just gonna take and just make a circle in the back. And I'm applying oil to her scalp. I don't like to use a lot of grease because the grease tends to leave a lot of buildup. So I really like this oil. It keeps her hair moisturized. So here we go. And yes, y'all, the struggle is real trying to grip this hair. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not the best braider, but I'm trying my best. And as you can see, I'm just parting and just adding the braids. And I'm kind of speeding up this video. Don't know if people like looking at all this because there's so many tutorials. But I do use water to kind of soften her hair, and I'm just taking all the braids and just joining them together in a circle in the back. Usually when I braid her hair, I usually kind of straighten it out some, but I just didn't have enough time. Her hair is so thick, I wished I would have straightened it out. And I'm just continuing to braid, just braid it in a circle. I am almost through in the back. And usually her braid patterns look a little better, but the twists that I'm using are gonna cover up her bad parts. And I am just left with this one big braid in the back, in which I'm gonna crochet. I'm not gonna sew it down, but I'm just gonna crochet it in the other braids. And as you can see, I'm not the best braider, but this is it for now. So right here, I'm just taking that long braid and I'm just crocheting it within the other braids, just taking it throughout her hair. And I've never had a problem with it coming down. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now right here, you guys, I'm about to crochet. I'm just taking that the beginning of the twist, and I'm inserting it inside the braid, and I'm taking the ends and pulling it through, as you can see there, and I'm looping it in and kind of tighten it. I like these crochet braids. They are very easy to manage. Just taking it, opening and inserting it through, and taking that end and creating a loop, if that makes sense. But I basically want to just show you all the style utilizing these twists by Main Concept. I always like to start in the back and just kind of stagger them out. I don't like to create too much bulk with this hair. Now I'm moving to the sides. I only use 3.5 packs for her head. She has a small head, so maybe for an adult, I probably think you probably have to have about 4.5 packs. But if you stagger them out, you won't have to use as much. Well, we're coming to the end, and this little girl is feeling herself now. Look at her. She's so pretty. As you can see, there's a lot of styling options for this hair, and she loves it. That's Mama Pooh. I love to see her happy. She loves this style. That's Mama's baby. Now it's time for Mommy to take a pic with baby. She's 9 years old, y'all, but she's still my baby. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all be blessed. Have a great day.